late na ako nag-start mag-vlog because so busy today. Dalawang kitchen staff. Hindi na magbago yung isip ko. I almost changed my mind. Mantik na kami hindi ako. Kaya si Kuya ako. Patuwal. May merchandise na hindi ako kasya. I can't kasi maliit ako. Annoying, doesn't he?
Yeah, he was I think he just has an annoying personality.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated.
Hello guys! Happy Friday! It's Friday guys. And I know late na ako nag-start mag-vlog because so busy today. Dalawang kitchen staff ko ang absent. So nagtrabaho ng bonggang-bongga ang lala mo. But anyway, alas 2:30 na yata. 2:30. Yes, I think so. Iniwan ko na yung kitchen staff ko dito sa Rodan. Kasi wala na masyadong gagawin. Anyway, ba't ako nag-vlog? Wala lang. Kailangan ko na mag-vlog kasi wala nang kasunod yung last kong vlog. So, kailangan ko ng susunod. Ngayon, imimit ko si Kuya Ronnie somewhere over the rainbow kasi mag-gym kami. As you know, guys, napilit ko ring mag-gym yung asawa ko. Opo. Actually, tatlo sila ang na-recruit ko na mag-gym. Una, yung asawa ko, si Kuya Ronnie. Tapos yung dalawa kong kaklase sa school. Napasok kasi ako, guys. Ewan ko kung nabanggit ko sa inyo. Yung Swedish. Para makapag-Swedish na tayo ng bonggang-bongga. Anyway, na-recruit ko sila. So, nag-gym na rin sila. Yung isa kong kaklase, nag-start kami mag-gym last week. Every Monday and Wednesday kami nag-gym bago mag-school. Kasi yung school namin is Monday ng 5:30 hanggang alas 9. So, bago kami pumasok sa school, gym muna kami dalawa. Anyway, umulan. Umulan ng kaunti. But then, it's not so cold kasi I think it's +6, +8. Samahan nyo ako ngayon, today, sa pag-gym namin ni Kuya. And pagdudugsungan ko na lang yung vlog ko ngayong weekend at saka today. Kasi bukas atin si Kuya Ronnie ng wedding. So, samahan nyo ako na bihisan ang asawa ko. Anywho, let's go! On the way na kami, guys. Sorry sa itsura ko. Muntik na magbago yung isip ko. I almost changed my mind. Muntik na kami hindi magpunta sa gym kasi mas na umuwi na ako. Ayoko nang lumabas ng bahay. But today, I have to do it for Papa. Hello, Papa.
Not your papa.
Okay. We have to do it for this fucking shit. Sorry. Yes, hindi ko alam kung saan kami pupuntang gym kasi maraming branches yung gym na member kami. And first time yung pupuntahan namin. Hindi ko nga alam kung saan. Sobrang pagod ko today. But kailangan i-push para may time kami sa isa't isa. Anyway, samahan nyo kami and let's go!
Sige.
Dito na kami, guys! Ay, Papa. Takbo lang kami ng mga electrical man nito. Takbo lang kami ng mga 10 minutes tapos relief na kami. Hindi ko alam actually kung ano ang gawin ko today. Kasi mag-full body ako sa Sunday. Either core or upper body. We'll see. Let's go.
I've got an internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. So can't help falling in love. Can't take the hint and give up. My mama told me don't talk to people you haven't met. I guess my mama was right. But it's not 'cause everybody you meet is dangerous. That 'cause you'll break your heart. 'Cause she plays it so cool, making sudden internet crush. She's not a celebrity, but she's taken. Still can't help falling in love.
Guys, si Kuya. Katuwad. Matatapos na kami, guys. Did you do that, Papa? That one? Did you do that?
If I can do it.
Yeah, did you?
No.
Can we do that? I want to. Huh?
You can go there.
He's not here. May machine, guys, na hindi ako kasya. I can't kasi maliit ako. I think so. I think so. Hindi abot ito. Hindi ko siya abot. Kasi maiksi yung binti ko. Anyway, tapos na kami. Are you done or you wanna try this?
Thanks.
Yeah, you're done. But come here first.
Huh?
Come here first. Your water, Papa.
Huh?
Your water.
Yeah. Should chickens first.
Okay.
I forgot what.
Tapos na kami, guys. Did you like it here?
Yeah, it was good.
Not really.
Huh?
Not really.
It was okay. A little small.
Yeah, didn't really like it. Mga akong basura, guys. Tapos na kami, uwi na kami. Let's go. It doesn't matter. So, someone was bothering Ronnie when he was training. No, it wasn't just you, honey. Someone was still using for the abs, and he came there. Are you done with this? The one that he took from you, the weights, did he even used it? I don't think so.
No, the weights was just on the way.
Okay.
So he just put them away. No one was using it.
Okay, but why did he remove it?
He was doing some exercise. He was, I think he just has an annoying personality.
He is very annoying. I really wanna... Excuse me! He's like going after everyone else.
Maybe he wants to make contact. I don't know.
I don't think so. He's just annoying.
Yeah.
Kabwisit, guys! Kunyeta. I don't wanna go back here, Papa. I'm sorry.
It's just because of the guy.
No, not just that. I didn't really like... Sorry, mukha na akong baluga. I didn't really like the gym itself because it's...
Small.
Not just small. It's everywhere. You have to go everywhere to get the how do you say it? The machine that you want. It's not... I don't know. It's not compact.
Sure. Okay.
We try something else next time. Are we going to... We can go.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Which one?
It doesn't matter.
Cheese taste nice.
Okay. Are they even open still?
It's 5. Have to be open.
Okay. Bili muna kami ng... what are you gonna buy? Wine? Rum? Whiskey? Whiskey is the best.
You know, I don't know.
Or wine. Cheaper. Bili muna kami ng regalo niya kasi atin siya ng wedding tomorrow. So, bibili siya ng alak. Either wine or whiskey. Ayun yung the best. Kasi feeling ko siya lang yung bisita. You're the only guest?
I don't know.
Or maybe the mother is there.
I haven't.
Best friend niya kasi kakasal ulit. So, bibili siya ng regalo. Anyway, pauwi na kami. And good job today, Papa. Even though it's... I feel like what I did was very messy. I don't know. Anyway, I'm tired. And I'm glad we went out. Thank you, Papa, for pushing me. Nandito na kami sa bahay, guys. Magluluto ako ng ano. Sorry sa itsura ko. Ng pork steak. Kasi na-request ni Ronnie. But before that, kasi mag-alas 6 na. 5:45 na ata. Kakain muna ako. Mag-6. So, fasting nga ako, diba? Pinapa-slice ko kay Ronnie yung meat para diretsong luto ko na lang. Nakakatawa, guys, yung sa binilhan namin. Pakala ko sa note lang. So, bumili kami ng whiskey para sa friend ni Ronnie. Ayan. Ito yung pinakamurang whiskey na nakita ko. But, anyway, kasi, pag bumili ka ng alak dito sa Sweden, kapag mukha kang bata, ay aas kanila ng ID. Eh, galing kami sa gym, wala akong ID. Hindi ko din nila yung ID ko. So, iniwan ko dito sa bahay. Ang ginawa namin is, nauna ako kay Ronnie. Tapos, ako yung pumili ng whiskey na bibilhin niya. So, meron ng isang sales lady na sunod na sunod sa akin. Kasi namukha akong bata. Kailangan ipakita ko yung ID ko. Otherwise, kung bibilhin namin ni Ronnie yun na nandun ako, hindi kami pagbibilhan. Kasi wala nga akong ID. Anyway, sunod sa akin si ate. So, ang ginawa ko, sundan ko siya. Nagtanong ako ng suggestion niya. Sorry, Papa. Are you gonna do it now? Nagtanong ako ng suggestion niya kung alin na magandang ibigay sa wedding. Hindi nag-suggest siya. Di nag-suggest siya. Pinalis ko ako na asawa ko. Tapos pagka-suggest niya, pinicturan ko, sinend ko kay Ronnie. Tapos lumabas na ako ng store. Si Ronnie na yung bumili. Sabi ni Ronnie nung palabas daw siya, tinitingnan daw siya ni ate. Kasi, so nga naman, pagkalabas ko, kinuha niya. So, very obvious. But, it doesn't matter. Otherwise, kasi hindi kami makakabili. Hindi siya makakabili. Nahanapan ako ng ID. But anywho, luluto na si Kuya. Ako pala magluluto. Nagagayat lang siya ng meat. After kong kumain, magluto na ako ng dinner nila. Kain muna ako, guys. I think you should talk to him first. Tinutulungan ako ni Kuya Matito sa internet para magtapon niya yung karton at malinis niya yung karton. Kasi napaka-dumi. Kadirs. Alam niyo lang, hindi lang ako nagsasalita. Oh my God. Kadiri ang kwarto ng anak ko lalaki. Anyway, na ako magluto, guys. Bistik na maputla. And fried rice. I'm not gonna eat with you guys. I'm gonna shower. I'm feeling cold. I don't know. Parang biglang sumama yung pakiramdam ko. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Is it okay if I shower? Thank you. Shower muna ako, guys. Parang niloloko niya anak niya kasi basic food ang tawag niya sa mga niluluto namin ng ama niya. Anyway, shower muna ako. Sana umayos yung pakiramdam ko kasi wala ko pa man di mag-gym bukas. Uminom ako ng protein drink ko kasi feeling ko ang unti nung kinain ko kanina. It's not enough. I hope it's okay. I thought it's salty. Anyway, shower muna ako. And then, pag may time ako, kasi alas 2 dadating si Ronnie. Ito kay Alex. Tapos, ito ay akin. Kasi 2 days lang andun hanggang sa bago ang lahat para mga guys. Mag-isang kami. Kasi para dire-diretso yung machine.
Lumabas? Masok na siya kanina eh. Hindi ko yung basura.
Sometimes I don't feel like I have hair.
If you can change your gear more about where.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my